the result of that eTorque system is it'll save you up to 10% in fuel economy. It's a belt which drives helping charge a 48-volt motor, and that helps you with the start-stop system, it helps you with the instantaneous torque, and it also helps you with brake regeneration. Now here's the cool thing about this. This vehicle then becomes a mild hybrid. Who could believe that this truck is actually a mild hybrid? Now that system is available a little later in the year, but the cool thing about it is that Prius sold about 65,000 of their hybrid vehicles last year. By the time this gets into a full year's cycle, they'll probably have sold 200,000 in the United States, and that's going to make it the best-selling hybrid in America.